Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip without crock pot. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and shred 2 cups of cooked chicken. In a bowl, beat together 8 Oz cream cheese, 1/2 cup ranch, and 1/2 cup hot sauce. Fold in chicken and 1 cup shredded cheddar, then spread into an 8x8-inch dish. Bake 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly, garnish with green onions, and serve warm. Start with quality ingredients for the best results and less fuss. Rotisserie chicken saves time and adds savory depth without extra seasoning. Measure hot sauce with taste in mind. Start with 1/2 cup and add more for heat. Soften cream cheese to room temperature so it blends smooth and creamy without lumps. Mixing in ranch or blue cheese gives tang, and finishing with cheddar creates a golden, melty top that everyone will love. Bake until the center bubbles and the edges turn light amber, about 20 to 25 minutes depending on dish depth. Let the dip rest 5 minutes so flavors settle, and it thickens slightly for easier scooping. Serve warm with sturdy dippers like celery, tortilla chips, or toasted baguette slices to hold up to the creamy mix. Refrigerate leftovers up to 4 days and reheat gently at 325 degrees F covered to preserve creaminess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.